You can restrict the data users view from a selected dimension member. For example, you can set up a rule that prevents most users from seeing information on parts you no longer manufacture. Do this by creating data security rules. If you have the Advanced Data Discovery license, you can create these rules. Launch Epicor Data Discovery in your browser. From the left side toolbar, select the Administration icon. Then from the list of options, select Data Security Management. Now on the Data Security Rules page, click the Add Rule button. Enter the name for this rule. Since this rule will filter inactive parts, you enter old parts for the rule's name. Click on the Data Source drop-down list. Select the data source that contains the data you want to filter on. You can filter two data source types. You can select Business Activity Queries, also called BAQs, and Microsoft Analysis Services data sources, also called MSAS. If you select a BAQ as the data source, indicate which company uses the BAQ. Now from the Cube drop-down list, select a query or a cube that contains the dimension data you want to filter out. For this example, you select the Manufactured Parts cube. Enter the dimension you want to restrict from view. You click through the options and select the Part Number dimension. Now within the Members field, select the specific parts that you need to prevent users from seeing. All the parts that start with a 0 are no longer in production. You select these dimension members. Indicate which roles cannot display data from these selected dimension members. You can add several roles to this rule, but for this example, you just select General User. And that's it! You've created the rule. Click Update Details. The rule now appears on the Data Security Rules page. Notice the Action column. If you need to edit the rule, click the Pen and Paper icon. But to delete the rule, click the Trash icon. When you are asked if you want to delete this rule, click Yes.